Hi, I'm Joey Scandizzo.
And I'm Jane Scandizzo.
And we're doing the bond building challenge for 11 Australia. You ready for this?
Yes.
Alrighty, question 1. Where did we first meet?
Gonna show me.
There you go on a photo shoot. I do remember that day. I was just chatting you up all day and she finally succumbed to me. What's our favourite thing to do together?
Hang with the boys, hang with our children. There we go. Okay, who is the funniest person out of the two of us?
Me. Me.
Joey. Okay, who is the most patient out of the two of us?
Not me. Always Jane. Who is the most romantic? This is an easy one. Mr. Romance. So our first date was a memorable first date. Do you remember where it was and where we went to? I hope I know how to spell this right. Andre Rieu. Jeez, I'm such. That's where I am so romantic. Took her to the violin concert. It's the only tickets I could get for the night. We didn't say a word to each other the whole night. Tried to get a pash out of her. That didn't happen.
No, you didn't.
Got one about 3 days later. Actually, 3 months later. So, what's my favourite song to sing in the car along to? I got many, but this is one I love.
I have no idea. We actually don't have a song. Really?
Sweet Caroline.
Okay. Well, I had no idea.
What is my favourite meal that you prepare for me?
I always have trouble spelling this.
So do I.
Yeah, I don't know why. I always think of cannoli or cannelloni.
She makes a good Italian cannelloni, spinach, ricotta, a beautiful sauce.
Okay, Joey, what's my star sign?
Well, I get the dates of your birthday mixed up. I know the month. I have to get.
What's my birthday?
I know the birth date.
Okay, what is it?
The 10th of May.
Oh, shut up.
21st of May.
Okay. And what
21st of May.
And what's my star sign?
I think it's on the cusp. It's between a Taurus and a Gemini. Is that right?
Correct.
There you go. So, you could pick one superpower. What would it be? We'd both want to fly. What is my most used phrase?
Your most used phrase would be, you've got so many.
Give me one. I'll tell you right now.
You always say it when you're in a bad when you're in a bad mood. I'm telling you right now.
Tell you right
it's
now.
Not happening.
It's not happening.
I'm telling you right now. I'll tell you right now. That's not how it's going to go. Okay, what's my most used phrase?
Pompey. This is what Jane calls me, Pompey. When she wants some Pompey, that's what she starts off with to soften the blow. Can we do this? Or can we get that? I need this and I need that. And can we do this?
And then he goes, I'll tell you right now.
I'll tell you right now.
It's not happening.
It's not happening.
Out of the two of us, who has the best taste in music?
I know this one. I'm the DJ. Me. You? No, you don't.
Okay, Joey, what's my favourite 11 Australia hair range?
Well, right now at the moment, I know what it is. Repair. The new one.
It's beautiful.
And it makes the bathroom smell even better.
It's the best smelling
Fragrance.
one.
Awesome.
Beautiful.
Look, feel, the whole lot. It is a cracking product. Design. by
me.
me.
Okay, Mr. Product Developer and Hairdresser, these questions are for you. Okay, first question. Up to how many degrees does Repair My Hair Nourishing Shampoo protect?
Easy, 220. I know that one.
Correct. So next question. What are the 3 benefits of Repair My Hair Nourishing Shampoo?
Gives heat protection, volume and strength to the hair.
That's correct. Okay, big shot.
Here we go.
What's inside the shampoo?
Was hydrolyzed rice protein, soy protein, green tea, aloe vera and quinoa.
Very right. And what about the conditioner?
The same. Same great ingredients.
That is correct. Who should use Repair My Hair?
You. Repairs fragile hair and no more split ends.
Yeah.
Or anyone with hair like yours.
Yeah.
Damaged.
What
It
are you
needs
trying to
repairing.
say?
This
What are you
is the
trying to say?
perfect product. Because you use a lot of heat on your hair. You use a lot of styling. So whoever uses heat styling, whoever's hair's been coloured or porous, gets exposed to elements outdoors, this is the product to repair your hair.
Well, thank you for making this product for your wife.
Well, you've been using it and you love it.
I love it.
There you go. And how good does it smell?
It does. It smells beautiful.
So I've created a masterpiece.
Yes.
There you go.
Okay, next question. When should you use Repair My Hair?
So when your hair's feeling a bit dry, it's a bit frizzy, you got split ends, if you're wanting more volume, this is the perfect shampoo and conditioner to use for that hair type.
Okay, that is correct. How should I use Repair My Hair Nourishing Shampoo and Conditioner?
Very simple, very easy. So normally I suggest the shampoo twice. The first shampoo will lift the grime, second shampoo will go in, cleanse the hair. Then I'd use the conditioner, and if you want to use it as a bit of a treatment as well, you can leave it for 2 to 3 minutes in the hair, and that will seal the cuticle, make the hair feel repaired and finished and beautiful.
That is correct. Okay, Smarty Pants.
Yes?
Now for some science. Hydrolyzed rice protein and soybean isoflavones, what do they do in the shampoo and conditioner?
Well, these key ingredients build the bond structure back to the hair. Now, if you pair the two together, you'll get the best results to repairing bond structure.
Okay, that is correct.
Hopefully this stuff can repair those genes as well. Question. What percentage of volume do you think your hair increases by using these two products?
Increases, I reckon heaps. I reckon 25%.
Bit more?
30%.
It is clinically proven that increases your hair volume by 32%.
32%. Yeah, I can see that. It has increased my hair heaps. 32%, that's massive.
That is fantastic.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Keep enjoying using these products.
Thank you. I'll take them.
There you go.